Endless Margin is a free crypto trading automation bot for ByBit. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up the bot. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating an account. Visit endlessmargin.com and create a free account. Log in using your registered email and password. Step 2. Accessing the bot code generator. Go to the TradingView Bots menu and choose Other Strategies from the drop-down. Step 3. Completing the TradingView Alert Code Generator form. Fill out the form with your ByBit Exchange API key and secret. Choose Order Configuration, Margin Mode, Trading Amount, Leverage, Stop Loss, Take Profit, Close Positions, Multi-Take Profit, optional, Trade Notification Preferences, paste Discord ID to allow trade notifications. This also helps to debug any issues. Minimum balance threshold, optional, and alert label, optional. Take note, this bot only supports ByBit's USDT perpetual contracts. Please ensure that you use the ByBit USDT perpetual contracts chart on TradingView. Also, note that the webhook option requires a paid subscription to TradingView's Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium plan. It does not work with the free plan. Open your preferred crypto trading chart on TradingView and load the indicator. To create an alert condition for a buy signal, under the Settings tab, set the alert condition and buy signal. In the Trigger section, select Once per bar. Provide a name for the alert, such as Buy Alert. Copy the Enter Long alert code from Endless Margin and paste it into TradingView's alert message box. Go to the Notifications tab in the Indicator Settings interface. Select Webhook URL. Copy the webhook URL from Endless Margin and paste it into the webhook URL box. Click the Create button. To create an alert condition for a sell signal, set the alert condition and sell signal. Under the Trigger section, select Once per bar. Provide a name for the alert, such as Sell Alert. Copy the Enter Short alert code from Endless Margin and paste it into TradingView's alert message box. Go to the Notifications tab in the Indicator Settings interface. Select Webhook URL. Copy the webhook URL from Endless Margin and paste it into the webhook URL box. Click the blue Create button. Congrats! You have connected the Endless Margin trading bot with the indicator on TradingView. That's it for this tutorial on using the Endless Margin bot with the indicator on TradingView and ByBit Exchange. Endless Margin is free to use with no limitations on alerts. If you have questions or feedback, let us know in the comments below. Happy trading with Endless Margin!